guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 1B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments and in the PDF and handwritten form. If you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, which is 900-936-8238. And if you need any other queries, if you want to ask other queries, you can contact us. So we will try to provide your solutions. Thank you. Now the question number 1B is, how does the poet use the tall trees as a symbol of protection and nurturing, particularly in the lines, when the dust sends quickly the birds to rest, the tall trees shelter them and safe in a nest. What emotions or ideas does this evoke? So these are some. I think this is a poem and poet. So this question is asking about the emotions or ideas does this evoke? So thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.